Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start graphic design with Canva, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to canva.com. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button. You can register using your email or connect through Google or Facebook. Once logged in, you will see the Canva dashboard. Click on the Create a Design button located at the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear showing various design options. Select a design type that fits your project, such as a social media post, poster, or presentation. You will be redirected to the design editor. Immediately, explore the left sidebar for templates, elements, and text options. To use a template, browse through the available category. Click on a template to add it to your design canvas. Customize the template by clicking on text boxes and typing your content. Change font styles, sizes, and colors using the text editing options at the top bar. To add images, click on the Photos or Uploads tab on the left. Upload your own images or choose from Canva's extensive image library. Drag and drop images onto your canvas to position them. To add elements like shapes or icons, go to the Elements tab on the left sidebar. Search for specific elements or browse through the categories available. Simply click on an element to add it to your design. Resize and position elements as needed by clicking and dragging the corners. To change background color, click on the background of your design. Select the color tile in the top bar and choose your preferred color. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on the Download button in the top right corner. Select your desired file format, such as PNG or PDF. Then click on the Download button again to save your design to your device. Congratulations, you've just created your first graphic design using Canva. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.